Alright, guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Will I See a Cat on the Way Home? Let's get it! So, for post number one, there are no cats in the sunbathing area where they usually post that up. We'll continue looking. Are there any cats underneath the pickup truck? I don't think so. Oh! There we go. We found our cat, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. Let's see if we can touch it. Hello. Would you like to be touched? Meow meow. Give me a smell. There we go. We got a little butt touch. Is that all that we're getting? I'm gonna go in for a stroke. I got a little touch. Big on the butt. Ooh! Oh, I thought I was gonna get a belly rub. Hello! Cat on the ground. Cat rolling on the ground. Alright. Oh, look, a bonus cat. And it hid. Well, that's it for Will I See a Cat on the Way Home. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.